MeghalayaPost.news.
Ka komiti balatung da kaing kashari joka Meghalaya Court balak kliru da retired justice BP Kateki kalawan rapat ba ya ka High Court halal ka jinglap wadon hadu iwei point khandai arlak metric ton Uduyong balati Beain haki South League district jonga jala Meghalaya. Haka jinga keren bakilat patai kubor mentaka arp santri ulber u justice Kateki ulai tu balalap Uduyong balati Beain gade hadin ka jing pendep ya ka jing sor jamin nasuin lane aerial survey haka balap penungkam di drone. Balalap ru bahak tegi South League district kidon kumba iwei point khandai arlak ton Uduyong balati Beain. Lapetip ru bakini ki district ki bakuntup ya ka East Jingtih district ka West Kasil district ka South West Kasil district but South Garo Hills district kidai ki district ki balalap ya ka jingdon Uduyong Beain. Laban rapru bakani ka komiti ka lapan jingshai na ki bot punya district halal ka jinglap Uduyong bompat don jingken hapo ka sisngi ne arsengi. Susuru ulai tu bayakani ka kaipot ans IT no syakain ka syari ka Meghalaya High Court ban lepat ya ka barungkam bat ka jing petip pai ba ya ka senjam ka basyakmat. Da ka baban rapru baka jalan Meghalaya ki don prangut ki balayo ka license handrai tang laingut ki dei ki balayo ka environmental clearance kiwi pat kidang haban up banyo ka ni clearance.
We have discussed today's proceeding rather was for having the discussion on the various steps taken for implementation of NGT's order as well as the Supreme Court order and also various orders passed by the Honorable High Court, because High Court has also passed certain orders from time to time. I had two meetings. Yesterday also I had a meeting with Garoda people who were entrusted with the job of conducting the aerial survey. And that aerial survey was in respect of around 730 or 40 square kilometer. And area identified was on the basis of the coordinates of the inventoried coal earlier found within 1 kilometer radius, therefore, though the 4 districts that survey was conducted, the area-wise, the square meter in terms of square kilometer is a huge area in every district. But we concentrated only around little over 700 square kilometer. And that report has been submitted. That report says that was the whole purpose was to find out whether there was any other coal other than the inventoried coal which has already been shifted to the CIL designated depot and seized under the MLDR Act. According to the report, in 4 districts, that is East Jingtih, Southwest Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills and South Garo Hills district, they found little over 1.92 lakh metric ton of coal other than the inventory coal. I have asked them to furnish certain clarification, which I am expecting today or by tomorrow. I have asked them to furnish me those clarification by today. I hope that by the end of the day I will get it. So therefore, according to them, other than inventory coal, there are more coal available within 1 kilometer. So therefore, in today's discussion, I have requested the Deputy Commissioners and Superintendent of Police of the concerned district as well as all concerned departments to be more vigilant about the availability of coal other than this 1.92 lakh metric ton coal. Based on this report, survey report, I will submit my report to the Honorable High Court. What would be my impression on this report? Because I have to give my impression on this report, which I cannot share with you right now unless I submit the report and unless the High Court make it public. So, fact remains that the survey report conducted by Garoda, they found additional 1.92 lakh metric ton of coal in 4 districts in the state of Meghalaya. Any coal found other than in CIL designated depot is illegal. Any coal after the ban was imposed by the NGT, which has been confirmed by the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has said that there cannot be rat hole mining, means illegal mining, unless the mining is allowed under the provisions of MMDR Act. Where I have been told today in today's proceeding that 4 prospective licenses have already been issued. Another 4 has also been granted. Total 8. Out of 8, in respect of 3, environmental clearance has been granted. The 5 are yet to get the environmental clearance. And out of those 3 environmental clearance granted projects, 1 has started their operation. That's what I have been informed today. Why should I ask the government to clarify? Because I am here because of the High Court, as per the High Court's order. These surveys, everything is being conducted because of the direction issued by me from time to time. And based on these reports, I will scrutinize those reports. I will have my own interpretation of this report and inform the High Court. And High Court definitely will take appropriate action thereafter.
So
But I am reiterating, any coal other than the coal found available in the CIL designated depots is illegally mined coal. And action has to be taken under the MMDR Act, means FIRs have to be registered, coal has to be seized, the entire coal has to be put to auction, subject to the permission to be granted by the respective courts of law, and the entire sale proceed will go to the state exchequer. Not a single funding will go to the coal miners. Because 28th is the next date fixed by the High Court, 28th of April, before 3-4 days before, at least I will submit it. My mandate is not to look into the scientific mining aspect, because my mandate is to oversee the implementation of NGT's direction issued in case number 110 of 92, if I am not wrong, 92, and the subsequent Supreme Court judgment in the subsequent proceeding, as well as the various orders passed by the Honorable High Court.
But who will look
I
up?
cannot comment anything on the scientific mining activity. That is, if there are violation, mining authorities are there. The authority who has granted the prospective license, the authority who has granted the permits under the MMDR Act. There are enough authorities under the MMDR Act till the stage of closure of mines to take action if those are violated.
MeghalayaPost.news